An Islamic sister's observation about Salawat Ibrahim. I have been continuously reciting Salawat Ibrahim for 11 years. How did I embark on this journey? My teacher gifted me a book about Salawat. It mentioned a hadith that said that a person who recites Salawat 1,000 times a day will not die until he sees his abode in paradise. When I read this hadith, I desired to recite Salawat and started reading Salawat Ibrahim. I started reciting Salawat Ibrahim 500 times daily, and my passion and interest increased daily. Thanks to this passion, the number of my Salawat Ibrahim started increasing, and I started reciting it 1,000 times daily with passion and hard work. One day I dreamed that there were many stars in the sky, and among them was Kaaba and the tomb of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and both places were also shining like stars in the sky. Also, I saw in the dream the clear words of Salawat Ibrahim written in bold letters in the sky in a very beautiful way. I had this dream in the morning and I felt very light and fresh when I got up. It was my first spiritual dream. After seeing this dream, I felt a sweetness and calmness reciting Salawat. My journey of Salawat continued, and I never let myself get sidetracked. With the blessing of Salawat, I noticed another blessing. Whatever I saw in my dream would turn into reality after some time. That is, I was informed by nature before time, and all these series were strange and surprising for me. My love for Darood was increasing. Nothing in the world gave me as much peace as reading Darood. My college life was going on, and my interest had increased so much that even in college I used to recite Salawat Ibrahim when I had time. With the blessings of Salawat, I remembered the lectures very quickly and learned easily. I was very fond of seeing the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, in my dream, and with the blessing of Salawat Ibrahim, I was blessed to see Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his companions, blessings upon them. My other blessed dreams include seeing heaven in the dream and meeting the family members of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and many blessed pious people. Now it is a situation that, with the blessings of Salawat, no night passes without seeing a spiritual dream. I cannot express my gratitude to Allah for this special blessing. When we all have to leave this world and meet our Creator one day, then why not prepare for that day now? My spiritual journey, which I have just summarized above, is the result of the hard work of 11 years of Salawat's recitation. It has introduced me to that spiritual elevation, which is surprising for common people when they hear these observations. You should habitually recite Salawat Ibrahim frequently. It will make your life beautiful and the hereafter wonderful, God willing. It is important to recite Salawat with focus, attention, and love for Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. A person who recites Salawat Ibrahim with enthusiasm, passion, love, and consistency will start receiving the blessings of Allah, and the effect of these blessings will last for generations.